Guys, I have a very big surprise for you guys, and I want you to stay tuned because this is gonna be great. So you guys know that I've been at the International World Agro Expo, which happened in California in July, and it was a long drive. I have to drive about 10 hours all the way to here because I couldn't get a flight to be able to come to this expo. And it was just amazing. The atmosphere, the energy. Farmers, the trucks that packed everywhere. The energy was great. I really enjoyed my time. I met some wonderful people, people that are doing projects in Africa, people that have distributors in Africa. It was great. I was also very inspired, and I know you guys were inspired as well, of some of the innovations that are happening in the agric business. So, the organic fertilizers, different way of irrigation, both the drip and the sprinkle irrigation, the dairy business, which is basically cattle farming, guys. People are innovating greatly, man, seriously, in the dairy business. I know in Ghana we haven't explored the dairy business a lot, but there is such a huge potential out there, and the livestock industry in general. It was amazing. I also met with a few distributors of vaccinations, medications, tools and equipment. I met a woman who was basically his company manufactures like equipment for poultry farming, which is amazing. So there's so many people that I met, and I'm asking myself, I can't feed all this information to you. So many contacts. I literally, my packet is filled with like business cards from everywhere and everyone who wants to do business in Ghana. So guess what is going through my mind? I am thinking about starting an agro store in Ghana. What do you guys think? Because I feel like I've met all these great people who are willing to do business in Ghana, send me the quality goods and so on. So why not? And I don't know what it's going to take, but I'm going to get to Ghana and be able to, talk to Registrar General, whoever I need to talk to, get a shop, and then we launch a business in Ghana. We want to start an agro store. I want to have, myself going to be there. I want to have somebody that I can train to really understand the product so that when somebody even come there to buy medication, they can explain it better to them. I myself, I'm a farmer, as you guys know, so I definitely know what is good and what is bad. No Chinese medicines, straight from the US and hopefully from Europe as well, and anywhere in Africa that's producing something good. And this is what is going through my mind, and I think it is not a bad idea. Once again, I'll also be able to provide like an online service for those of you that are living abroad who have farm projects in Africa, to be able to buy online and basically tell your farmers to come pick it up, or your farm manager to pick it up. What is even preventing us from adding a logistic company to it, sort of a logistically, so that when you buy, we can also deliver it to you. This is what is going through my mind. Guys, let me know in the comment below if you think I'm crazy or if you think this is going to be helpful. Because with all these things that I've seen, look at one of the things that I buy. I'm going to show it to you. The rest are in my trunk. But I bought this, right? And basically what this is literally for fencing. So if you want to use wire to fence your ranch or your livestock pen, how do you take the wire to go by it, right? Sometimes these are barbed wires. You can hold it yourself, or even to hold it and pull it, it's not going to be super tight. What this small tool here does is basically you open it, attach it, and you're able to spread the wire and make it tighter. These are basic things that is needed, but I can't find in Ghana. Sometimes I have to tie it by my Jeep and basically be dragging it. I got this tool here, and I feel like I can literally bring this to Ghana, or to other African countries and be able to supply so that our life will be make easier. Farming doesn't have to be, being on the sun 24/7 and using manpower all the time, but we can bring some life into it. I can wear my suit, my jacket, and be able to do this without making myself dirty. Instead of me trying to pull it and then I go home and I smell and I look all nasty. Farming, we need to bring some creativity, and that means we innovating. And I think I want to do that. Again, with the brachiaria grass, I know I've already shipped it to Ghana, so it should be arriving by anytime soon. Once it arrives, we're going to do a germination test. After it's proven that it can germinate, we will start selling as well. It would be great to have a physical store where people can literally come there and buy the brachyria grass as well, plus anything. I know chaff cutter is something that you guys have been asking me a lot about. Recently, I got about 3 and they were all sold out within a day, right? So I can also import most of that from China. The baling machine that most of you have been asking me about, I can bring some again, and then 2-wheel tractor that I use at my farm. That is another 2 that I can bring to the store. And then what else? And then the chamfer machine, right? I know most of you are interested in that. I can also import that into the country and be able to use it. So I think it's a good idea. You guys, let me know what you want me to sell in this online shop so that you guys, I can bring that to you. I'm not here to basically replicate what everybody is doing in Ghana. I think I have a lot of good network. I have traveled a lot, and I'm still going to be traveling a lot for this channel and for you guys. So why not take that opportunity, and whatever I show you, I just don't let you see it, but I can also bring it into the country that you guys can get your hands on. So this is the plan, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment below, if I'm crazy or not. But I'm pretty much excited about this, and I'm going to do it. As you guys know, when I get excited about something, I can't wait. I just do it. As you can see, my Jeep, I'm still riding in it. It's been doing great, taking me along, and now it's going to drive me to another, 6 hours journey all the way. So I'm doing it, guys. So let me know what you think, and we'll see. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you maybe next time with a store name and with a store full of goods that you guys can get your hands on if you're doing any farm projects in Africa.